Does industrial microwave wood drying really improve efficiency? Can it enhance product quality? How soon can I recover the investment in this equipment? As an innovative wood processing technology, industrial microwave drying is transforming many companies' production models. It excels in manufacturing engineered wood products like plywood, laminated veneer lumber. Applications in wood chips and particles are also available. For example, we can use microwave to pre-dry the veneers before hot pressing them into high-strength plywood. Compared to traditional methods, microwave rapidly and evenly removes moisture, significantly improving bonding performance. By penetrating deep into materials and acting on water molecules directly, microwave achieves higher energy efficiency without heating the entire wood block. We offer customized microwave systems with output power ranging from 30 kW to 200 kW. Optimal frequencies, applicator designs and ancillary equipment will be configured to match specific wood materials. Our microwave can also be integrated with existing kilns to further optimize drying performance. Data shows that microwave can increase productivity by over 50%, while saving 40% energy consumption, with an estimated ROI period within 2 years. Its automated operation and modular maintenance also ensure great ease of use. If you also want to enhance your wood processing efficiency, please feel free to contact us. Our engineers can tailor solutions that perfectly suit your practical needs.